What's up guys, I know it's been a while. It's Ethan here from Wings World, and today I'll be doing a tech review video. Today I'll be reviewing Anker's newest portable speaker called the SoundCore Motion B, coming in at $33. In this video I'll be unboxing the speaker and giving you my impressions on it. The first thing you get when opening the box is the accessories box. Inside is a 2-foot micro USB cable used for charging. Next, we have a customer satisfaction card that offers a way to contact customer support or leave a review depending on your feelings about the product. Finally, in the box we have the user manual, but let's be honest, no one reads these. The box is nicely packaged and easy to open. The speaker comes pre-charged and is very compact. The SoundCore Motion B features 2 full range drivers, a passive bass radiator capable of delivering 12 watts of intense audio power. It has 2 ports on the right side that are sealed tight by a waterproof cover. One port is for audio input and the other port is for charging. On the back you can see the bass radiator that uses bass up technology. Bass up technology uses a customized digital signal processor to analyze then enhance your music's bass frequency in real time. The SoundCore Motion B speaker has a playback time of 12 hours on a single charge and has Bluetooth 4.2, which allows a strong connection up to 66 feet. It also has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it can be submerged up to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. There are 5 buttons on top, which include power, volume up and down, pause, and Bluetooth pairing. The buttons on top are easy to click and give a nice tactile feedback. Here's a quick sound test of the speaker at 50% and 100% volume. Overall, this is one of the best speakers you can buy for the $50 price point. The audio quality and features are amazing for what you are paying for. The speaker is loud enough to fill any room. Also, the waterproof and long battery makes it perfect for the beach or any trip. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like if you liked it. See you guys next time.